What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. This is the part 8 of our champ series Becoming a Champion Trader, and for today's video, I will share with you guys one of the common questions na nare-receive ko from our dear followers, aspiring students, and subscribers. Ano nga ba yun? Okay, so paano daw sila magsisimula? Ano ba daw yung dapat nilang gawin? And pinaka-common denominator as well is wala daw silang kapital or pera para aralin tong mga bagay-bagay na to when it comes to forex trading. So again, if I were to average lahat ng dahilan nila, it all boils down sa pera. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, when you are studying something or want to learn something, lalo na dito sa forex trading, it doesn't start with the money. Okay? Okay lang, you're having a goal. That is your target setting. Pero ang pinaka-importante is you must have a direction. Ano ba yung gusto mong patunguhan? Okay? So again, for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ano nga ba yung roadmap on becoming a champion trader. And kung ako tatanungin nyo, if magsisimula ka ulit, ito yung gagawin ko. Alright? So without further ado, let's get straight to our presentation. Okay. So, again, just a quick overview. Okay? This is just a small fraction of a project of mine na ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm actually building an online course para doon sa mga aspiring students na hindi talaga mag-driving schedule namin when it comes to one-on-one. And for those people na may work, kung ano man, busy, kaya merong difficulties when it comes to my schedules. Okay? So, again, from the volume of the students, yung iba, nare-reject ko na dahil hindi talaga tugma yung oras. Lalo na yung mga nasa overseas. So, again, I'll try my best to finish this online course as soon as possible para magkaroon kayo ng reason para makapag-aral ng forex trading at the convenience of your home. Alright? So, this is just small fraction. So, ano nga ba yun? Roadmap on becoming a champion trader. So, kung ako magsisimula, I am an aspiring trader, beginner, intermediate man. Again, this course suits everyone. Okay? So, ano yung una kong gagawin? So, syempre, pinaka-important dyan, ano nga ba ang forex trading? You have to do your own research. Okay? Kung kayo man ay wala man lang kayong means pa para mag-enroll or ano man. Again, you can start off of knowing something, di ba? Syempre, papasukin mo to, kailangan alam mo yung papasukin mo. Ibig sabihin, you already have a little bit of research pagdating sa forex trading. Okay? So, yung pinakauna, know and learn some facts pagdating sa forex trading. So, don't jump straight sa bagay na hindi ka pa familiar. Okay? But, throughout itong course na to, sabi nga natin, for all aspiring students ko, okay, na gusto mag-enroll, na hindi talaga nagtutugma yung oras namin. Again, this is just a roadmap. Hindi po ito yung pinaka-full course, but it's just a small fraction para meron kayong overview ano yung i-expect nyo. Again, from beginner side to advanced, intermediate, and going to deeper levels, okay, of knowledge pagdating sa forex trading. Okay, so alamin nyo muna, ano nga ba yung forex trading? Okay, self-explanatory naman yan for some. You can do your own research. Marami ng resources ngayon. Next, okay, from knowing what is forex trading, paano tayo ngayon kikita? You have to understand the concepts. Okay? From understanding, technical analysis, approach, fundamentals, knowing your risk management, trading psychology, other sentiment analysis, okay? So, maraming ways, okay, para mas magkaroon ka ng idea paano kumita ng pera sa forex trading. Kailangan mo lang naman magkaroon ng profit, okay, as time goes by. Okay, so it may be a short term, mid term, or long term. Okay, so next, syempre, sa forex trading or even other trading in general like stocks, crypto, we have to have tools. Diyan papasok din yung mga platforms para makapag-trade tayo. Tandaan nyo, we are trading ng financial market. Okay, which means we have to have a medium para magkaroon tayo ng ways para makapag-execute ng trade. So, dyan papasok yung platforms. Dyan yung mga tools natin. MT4, MT5, naka-common dyan, C-Trader, kung ano man. And dyan din papasok yung mga brokers natin. Ano ba yung relevance nila sa mundo ng trading? And bakit meron pang broker, this and that. Okay? So, next. So, syempre, those basic stuff, alamin mo na paano yung tools, paano kakikita, paano naman yung ways, okay, para mas maging magaling ka as a trader. Okay, hindi naman enough na alam mo lang paano gawin yon. Importante is paano ka maging magaling doon. Okay, tandaan nyo, this is a skill. It takes time. Laging may kasamang time. Kaya huwag kayong magmadali. Okay, so a lot of people nagmamadali kasi kaya nakatikim lang ng konting profit. They think na napakadali din ito. Okay, tumadali yan kapag lagi nyong inaaral or lagi nyong pinapractice. So, walang bagay na kukuha sa madalian. Okay? Kung meron man sa inyo nag-i-invite na this and that, kayang-kaya yan, double the money, okay? Alam nyo na yun. Okay? It's too good to be true. Right? So, yung how na dyan, okay? Ito yung how. Dyan papasok yung, okay, dyan papasok yung iba't ibang course that I will offer. So, tandaan nyo, importante kasi, when you want to learn something, meron kayong mentor, meron kayong coach, okay? It is not, okay, that is just my suggestion, okay? Para ano, ang advantage kasi nun, mapapaikli yung inyong learning curve. Okay? I'm not saying na kailangan mandatory, may mentor ka, whatever happens, mag-enroll ka. No. Okay? It may not be me as your mentor or other gurus naman dyan. But, ang importante is meron kayong direction. Meron kayong sinusundan. And sa dami ng resources out there, it will take you forever para ma-master nyo lahat. Okay? Kaya, you must have a direction. You must have a roadmap. Okay? Ano ba yung gusto nyo marating? Ano ba yung gusto nyo aralin? Okay? So, I'm not saying na my course will be a perfect one. I'm not saying na yung course ko lang yung pinakamaganda, pinakamagaling. No. What I'm trying to say is, I'm giving you resources, okay, para mahasa kayo sa trader and, okay, magkaroon kayo ng variety of ideas paano i-execute yung mga bagay-bagay when it comes to this industry or this field. Okay? So, sa roadmap na yan, dyan papasok yung Ultimate Zero to Hero Forex Trading Masterclass natin. So, pasok yan sa mga zero knowledge, beginner, intermediate. Okay? So, may levels yan. Hindi pwedeng tatalong ka agad sa advanced without knowing some basic foundation. Okay? So, i-review natin lahat dyan from scratch, lahat. Okay? Para hindi na kayo malito saan ba ako magsisimula. Yun yung common problema ng iba. Sobrang daming resources nila nababasa, napapanood. Hindi na nila alam ano ba talaga? Ano bang tama? Okay? Ano ba yung dapat kong gawin? So, kaya ilalate ko na sa inyo ano yung dapat yung aralin when you are a beginner or wala talaga kayo alam, zero knowledge, or kayo intermediate. Okay? Dyan papasok yung VIP Champion course as well, kung saan ikaw na ay meron ka ng knowledge, meron ka ng experience, pasok dyan, I believe, yung mga matagal na nag-trade but they are not profitable or wala pa silang self-confidence or hindi pa ganun kataas yung confidence level nila na sa tingin nila, magdadrive sa kanila papunta sa goals nila when it comes to profitability. Okay? So, intermediate and even advanced levels. Okay? So, as an option, tandaan nyo guys, these courses will be like a platform wherein mapapanood nyo lahat ako, okay? And you will have all the ideas na galing sa akin and maaral nyo some strategies na ginagamit ko, ginagawa ko, lalo na yung champion strategy natin at the convenience of your home. Yung hindi yung mag-adjust sa schedule and hindi kayo pwede. So, I'll try to make it convenient as much as possible sa lahat. Okay? Kahit saan man kayo. Okay? It will be a web-based approach. When it comes to naman sa one-on-one natin coaching, again, this is just an option. I'm not saying na mandatory yan na mag-coach kayo one-on-one. Again, as an option, ang advantage naman ito is, of course, lahat ng questions nyo na naiisip and ready on hand questions, masasagot natin on spot and clearly ma-explain natin through the casual one-on-one natin. Okay? At the same time, there are advantages when it comes to one-on-one. Of course, you'll be included sa ating VIP private community and other benefits as well. Okay? So again, lahat yan, pag one-on-one, dadaanan natin from your basic, even your zero knowledge, beginner, intermediate, or advanced levels, pasok yan dito sa one-on-one dahil I'll tackle all the topics that you need para mas maging magaling kayong trader. Again, I'm not saying my course will be a perfect one, but I will definitely do my best para mas maintindihan nyo siya. Because tandaan nyo, trading is too much technical. Okay? Maraming technical na bagay. And some of the people talagang we have different levels of yung paano mag-absorb ng information. Merong mga fast learner, slow learner. Okay? But ang importante is, I tried my best or even I will try my best na magkaroon ng common ground para at least kung anumang level kayo ng intellectual, okay, makakasabay kayo. Okay, so as much as possible, student-friendly learning material to. And for sure, makakasigurado kayo na magiging sulit yung, of course, yung pag-avail nyo ng course na to. Okay? So again, importante sa pag-aaral is meron kang direction. Hindi enough na meron ka lang goals. Okay? You have to know the in-between. Ano yung mga tatahakin mong steps para ma-meet or ma-achieve mo or mapuntahan mo yung direction mo or yung final destination when it comes to your goals. Okay? So, again, maraming ibang mentor dyan, maraming ibang coach, maraming ibang resources. Okay? But ang importante is if you want something, okay, if you really want something to achieve or ma-meet mo kung ano man yung mga goals mo, do something about it. Okay? I'm just here para tulungan kayo. So, I guess, napanood nyo naman ibang mga videos. At the same time, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, feel free, okay, to criticize, feel free to comment, and at the same time, feel free na panoorin lahat yan. Para, again, if mayroon kayong decision na mag-enroll or be under my student is meron na kayong solid basic foundation. Alright? So again, this is the roadmap and I hope it gives you an idea paano makapagsimula. It doesn't start with money, guys. Those are just target setting. Importante is what are we going to do in between to meet those goals. Alright? So that will be it for today and thank you very much to all my VIP champion students all over the globe. Followers, subscribers, sino man, thank you so much and God bless you all. So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP champion student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright.